welcome back to my channel. So I filmed this quick hair tutorial. It is a tutorial that you see all the celebrities wearing. It's the half up half down look, and this look only cost me 30 bucks. No, this look only cost me 35 bucks because this is from Amazon. Yes, this is a U-part wig with a couple of curly hair extensions attached. So I'm gonna get right into the video. I'm not gonna talk too long, but first, hey, are y'all subscribed? If you're not, then just click that button. That's all you gotta do is just click the button. Subscribe, comment like below, and we will get right to the video. So let's chill out.
So you're gonna need a couple of things for this look. You're going to need a hairbrush, a paddle brush, a comb, an elastic tie or a hairband, and some bobby pins. So I already have my hair up in some pin curls. I got it straightened and told her to add some pin curls. And I got this U-part wig from Amazon. This was only 25 bucks. Actually 20 bucks. So I'm going to take out the front part of my hair. So basically the top pin curl on the top of my head, the pin curls on the side of my head, and that's basically going to be my leave out before I put the rest of my hair under this U-part. And I'm going to put the rest of my hair in this netted wig cap just so it can stay relatively flat under the U-part wig. So I realized that I have a lot of hair left out for my leave out, so I'm just going to part some hair right behind my ears, and that excess hair is going to be pinned back and put right under that wig cap. And now I'm just going to place my U-part wig. So it's really simple. It has some clips on the edges of your hairline, and so that's how the U-part happens. So you see me clipping it at the top of my hair, like right on that part line, and then it has some clips on the side of the hair. So I'm just going to clip those on the side as well, and you see that the clips line perfectly with the part that I made. So I have a bunch of my leave out, and then the rest of my hair is covered by the U-part wig. And there are also some clips at the back of the wig as well to make sure that everything is secured and laid down. Now I'm just going to take all that hair that has been left out and basically put it in a little ponytail tuft on the top of my head, and I'm just going to secure the clips again just to make sure that I can't see any of the clips when I do eventually put my hair up top. And I'm just going to take a little elastic band and take a small section and make that a ponytail at the top of my head. And I'm just going to take a little bit of hair for the sides just to make some little curly cues. And as you can see, I didn't put all of my hair in a ponytail. This little leave out that I left is actually going to help secure the rest of the hair clips that I place in my head. So I'm taking some extensions, some clip-on extensions. These are also from Amazon, and they were 20 bucks as well. And so I'm just going to start placing those clip beds into that leave out hair, basically on the top and the bottom of that little section of leave out, and just keep clipping. And as you can see, I kind of clip the hair on the opposite side, not going down but going up, so that it can go in relatively smoothly into a ponytail. I am actually layering the clips on top of each other and do it in a way so it's camouflaged by a ponytail and that the clips aren't all jutting out. And I just keep applying clips. I think I put about 4 clips in this ponytail. There are some that have 4 clips sections, and then some that are single sections. And I'm just testing out how it would look all together in a ponytail. Next up, I'm going to take that little ponytail out. This was just to make sure that it looked okay when I do eventually put into a bigger ponytail. And now I'm going to take a bigger elastic and take that whole ponytail with all of the extensions and make a high ponytail at the top of my head. And I recommend a ponytail holder, not an elastic, because it can get really tangled pretty easily. So I'm just going to take the little bit of hair that was smaller than the rest of the extensions and pretty noticeable, and I'm going to wrap that around the ponytail, and that's going to camouflage my ponytail holder and also act as a cute little design for the ponytail itself. And I'm just brushing out the extensions just to make it wavy and give it more volume, and this kind of gives it a bit of a more vampy, voluptuous look to the hair overall. And just combing out any tangles that I have, and I'm also just combing out the hair itself at the bottom of the U part and making sure that everything just blends seamlessly. And as you can see, the bigger the hair, the closer to God. And I'm just going to make sure my baby hairs are laid down and fleeked and swirled. So basically, this is the entire look. The baby hairs are on fleek, the hair is all volumized, but now it's time for me to change and show you the rest of the completed, finalized look.
Hi everyone, so I am back. As you can see, I changed into something a little bit more comfortable. If you want to see this makeup look, I filmed this look before, so that video will be posted first probably, but I will link it right here or in the description box below. And y'all should stay tuned because I also filmed a lookbook of this outfit, so you'll see the completed outfit with my best friend Christina, whose birthday we're going out with tonight. It's called Best Friend Rates My Outfits. And so you'll see this look along with all the other clothes that I bought on Cyber Monday that just got delivered. But yes, that look is coming soon. So thank you all so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it, and I will see you all soon. Bye! Y'all know the drill. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill him. Quivana, you off the phone!
Restart, no.
Get off the phone! Go to my room, please! Y'all made me rush before, and now Gecko was looking crazy. Mother? 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 Ma! Ma! If I can hear the water, it can hear you. Yeah. One more, y'all, and I'm finished, okay? Are you finished, Mom? Mm-hmm. Okay.